More?
So far, we have Rocket Raccoon, Black Panther, and Groot. We have a chance of getting Captain America.
Look, it's
and
Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
Iron Man.
I'm on
Miss
this.
Marvel,
I'm on this.
Rocket Raccoon,
I'm on this.
and Spider-Man.
Double!
Rocket Raccoon. Want me to help you?
Yeah.
New one. Oh my. Black Widow. Black Widow.
Oh, Captain America too.
Next we got Captain America to add to the bunch. Can I get another one? Spider-Man. Whoa.
Mommy, look at me.
Spider-Man. Double.
What'd you get, AJ?
Black Panther. Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, Captain America, Black Widow, Groot, Black Panther, Rocket Raccoon.